A weekend in Key West has been on my bucket list for a long time, so we decided to spend our 4th of July weekend there. But first, the drive.
I found out long ago, it's a long way down the holiday road. Holiday road. Holiday road. Jack be nimble, Jack be quick. Take a ride on the West Coast Kid. Holiday road. Holiday road. Holiday road. Holiday I found out long ago, it's a long way down the holiday road. Holiday road. Holiday road. Holiday road. Holiday road.
All right, so we just pulled into Key West over here and we got our parking spot. There's a parking lot across the street from where we're staying at. That's where we're gonna stay at over here. But my travel agent over here is filling out the information. It's not bad, it's $20 a day. And you actually put cash in the envelope. Here's the instructions. You put the money in the envelope, put your tag number down, and then put the cash in there. But yeah, finally made it. There she is. She's so diligent. All right, let's get checked in. Place, baby. Number 12, second floor. Oh, wow. That's
So cute!
nice. Yeah. Nice.
TV. Little AC unit.
It will be on all night. It's warm out. It's a nice, it's a king size bed right there.
Yeah.
Got the little fridge and microwave action going on here. Let me see. I'm gonna stock that bad boy. Got your coffee in for the
Ooh,
morning.
I got my Puerto Rican coffee.
Yes. All right. That's your standard bathroom. Well, it's got a pretty big shower in it. Look at that.
Ooh, I like it.
That's old school. I like the architecture right there.
Very cute.
And this is for me when I stick the window up.
Stick the room up, not the window.
Hey, it's been a
Oh,
long drive.
vanity. Yes, it's been a long drive.
That didn't work. So. Yeah, it's cute.
It's a tiny little room. Like we had to put our luggage in the bathroom, but it's adorable. This definitely got a Key West vibe to it, and we love it. This is our stay at Coco Plum Inn on Whitehead Street in Key West. Once settled in, we hit the ground running. The Green Parrot Bar is right next door to the Coco Plum Inn and has been a Key West institution since 1890. It is a cozy dive bar with live music and great drinks. We decided to have dinner that night at another Key West favorite, Sloppy Joe's. They had a great live band, an interesting drink menu, and of course, Sloppy Joe's.
So this is a frozen pain in the ass. What else have in it, baby?
I don't know. Pina colada and something.
Pina colada, and then it's got a little vial of rum over here.
Bacardi rum.
Sorry. So they gotta pour it. You wanna pour it in there?
Yeah, you gotta pour it in there.
Let me get my sister right here. And we're at the Sloppy Joe's. They make them nice and sloppy over here for you. All right.
Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more from our stay in Key West.